know, it's Porsha Marie here, and we're back with another makeup review. Today we are going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty concealers, and I have mine in the shade Peanut Butter and Salted Caramel. So if you want to see how I got this face, continue to watch. Okay, let's open these up. I always get two shades, one to blend into and one to highlight with. So this is how it looks. This is Peanut Butter. Look at this doe foot. This is the shade Peanut Butter. This is 6.7R, so it has a little bit of a red undertone. And this is the shade Salted Caramel. So Peanut Butter would be the highlight shade, and Salted Caramel would be something I blend to or just conceal with. Alright, let's get straight into this video. Wipe that off. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my face right quick. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. Now I'm going to go in with the Super Goop Unseen Screen Primer. Not primer, sunscreen. We do have a new primer today. But this kind of acts as a primer, I would say. But we're going to try this new primer because it's matte. Okay, so this new primer is the Milk Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. You know, everybody loves the Hydra Grip, so I just got the little mini size of it. The sunscreen already set into my face real good. Let's see how it looks. Let's see. That's how it looks. It looks like a moisturizer. The texture is creamy and it looks like a moisturizer. I do have dry skin, but sometimes you just want a matte face. We're just gonna push that into the skin. Alright, yeah, I'm about to apply this foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty since we are using the Huda concealers. I'm not gonna put no glow underneath since we're going in with a matte face. I'm gonna take a brush and just spread this out, because this foundation is full coverage, medium to full, and she's a little thick. Look at that match. It just looked like my skin. Okay. I'm gonna get a flat brush. This is my BH Cosmetics 123 brush. And we're gonna press this into the skin. we have our foundation on. This is the shade 500. This is the Luminous Matte Foundation. Next, we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty Medium Bronzer. Get that on our face. I'm just using a dense brush. To add our warmth to our face. So we have our bronzer on in the shade medium. Next, it's time for these new concealers. And we're gonna go in with Salted Caramel first. We're gonna go right here. Very smooth, creamy, but I feel like it's gonna set down matte. So okay, and this is the shade Salted Caramel. Now we're gonna add peanut butter. Let's see if it's light enough. Okay, it looks light. Looks like I can use this to highlight. Right here. A little bit on our 5 head. Okay, Huda did come out with a new brush, but I didn't get it. So we're gonna go in with the Real Technique setting brush, and then I've got a little elf sponge. First, I'm gonna blend it out with the brush. Okay, now we're going under the eyes. Then when you get closer, we're gonna go in with the sponge. This looks, I see the luminous, I see the highlight. This looks good. Okay. Let's do this side. These two colors look good together. But if I want to, I could have went in with the shade Brittle. I think that's the shade. If I want it to be extra. But right now, these shades are good. They're good for me. This is the face. Now I'm about to set it down with the Huda Beauty Powder in Blondie. If y'all haven't seen my Hot Girl Summer Makeup video, this is the foundation I use. In that video. But all we need to add is, I'm gonna go in with this new Benefit blush. It has a slight shimmer to it. And this is a Real Technique. This is the blush. Right there. This brush might be too big for what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to add it right there. Go in with this. This is just a clean brush. Just push in that powder. Listen. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna go in with this Absolute New York lip liner in Malted Chai. Then we're gonna go in with our Fenty Glow Heat. I can do better with this smell because it don't smell the greatest. Then we're gonna go in with Morphe and Boho. It's a little pink. Then we're gonna go on top with some lip injections. Look at this face. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my one side, turn up the base powder. We're just gonna blot over everything. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter. Ooh. I'm gonna put no highlighter on because I already got a little bit of a glow from the blush. Oh, my lips are tingly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of moles. Using my Wet n Wild eyeliner. Okay, let's see. Alright, y'all, this is it for this look. My face is still setting from that spray. I can push it in with a little sponge. Okay, y'all, this is it with the face. And these are the new Huda Beauty concealers. Go get y'all some. This is in peanut butter and salted caramel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video.